that barn.
It goes too fast. They're like out of range.
Yeah.
Well, they can get down here.
Let's move to that blue dumpster. Let me get some more good shells. Okay.
Yeah, it's shooting for feet.
Alright, so you're gonna run to that blue dumpster, right? 3, 2, 1, go. You cover that side, I'll be back. I'm gonna move up.
Woohoo! Something's over there. Huh?
When did you show up?
Like 10 minutes ago. Where are they? This isn't working out.
Did you hit him?
Yeah, I did. I don't know if there's anybody over here.
Did they show it to you?
Because I moved up. Anybody over here? They're hiding. Oh, there's one.
What?
You're not hit. Ah! Hit.
Field team, you ready? Bar team, are you ready? Game starts in 3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
They're shooting for feet.
Yeah.
That was close.
He's over by that truck.
Oh, okay. I didn't get him. Damn it. Damn it. You got good cover too. Oh shit, he's right there. Damn. Watch the truck here. No, I'm not. I'm what?
You're retarded, you're good.
He almost got me before. That wasn't
The
gonna
guy
work.
behind the orange thing, that's a camera.